So we're gonna make white chocolate macadamia nut cookies, which are my favorite cookies. Absolutely love them, and this recipe is amazing. It's made with a melted white chocolate cooked into the dough, and I made this a few weeks ago, and it's the best white chocolate macadamia nut recipe I've ever had. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So let's get started. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of white sugar. So we're going to take all this butter,
we are going to take all this and add it to our mixer, and we're going to cream the butter into the sugar along with 2 eggs and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla concentrate and a teaspoon of almond extract. Now, I opted to do vanilla concentrate because I was out of vanilla extract when I did this. And the only real difference between vanilla extract and vanilla concentrate is that vanilla concentrate is a little bit stronger, so you want to use a little bit less than you would of vanilla extract. So I used a 1/2 teaspoon instead of a full teaspoon. And so we're going to cream all of that together. And then once that is nice and creamed together and mixed really nicely, then we're going to add in our flour. So we're adding 2.5 cups of flour here and a teaspoon of baking soda.
mix that in.
The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 10 ounces of white chocolate chips and I'm going to melt them down in a double broiler.
I'm going to scrape this into here. Chocolate is going to go right into the dough. Bring this back up, and we're going to mix that in. Drop this down, take this, and scoop this out. White chocolate mixed in together. Cut these into chunks.